Hello, Chrissy Abbott here. I am a collage artist and I am very excited to be announcing that I will be releasing some new online workshops for you to complete at home. And what I will be teaching is the principles of collage. So cutting, layering, and paper selection. So to give you an example of what those kits will look like, here are a sample of some of the ones that I've been creating here in South Padre Island. We have the sugar skull, sunset beach scene, the mini Frida, hummingbirds, and all of these will be available in kits of different levels, including full kits through to just the instructions and templates. And I will plan to release new kits every few weeks. So if you're interested in receiving information about these workshops, please go to my website, christyabbott.com, and go ahead and sign up for my newsletter. And in the area where it says comments, type in workshops. And what that'll mean, guys, is that you will be the first to receive information about these workshops and when they become available, as well as gain access to a special discount code. So again, christyabbott.com, sign up for that newsletter, and keep your eyes peeled because these are going to be a lot of fun for you to complete alone or in groups at home. All right, well, thank you so much, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.